Your department has a levy or bond issue coming up, maybe to replace a 25-year-old engine, a 15-year-old EMS unit, or to finally hire daytime firefighters. But ballot issues are never unanimous. Some voters simply assume they'll never need you. So how do you persuade your community to vote yes, including the people who don't see the need for change? The author's been through nearly every kind of fire department: volunteer, part-time, career, officer, chief, even state fire marshal. And through countless levy campaigns, one truth kept coming up. Don't assume residents know what you do. Spell out what your department is, volunteer, combination, or career, and why that model serves your community best. Explain the wide range of emergencies you handle: fires, medical calls, vehicle extrications, natural disasters, train derailments, hazmat incidents, and how mutual aid expands your coverage. Use simple data. How has your coverage area or population grown? How has that increased run volume, response times, or staffing strain? Keep it brief. We want to raise this amount. Here's what it's for. Here's how it will improve service for you and your community. Hold an open house. Make it a family event. Let children become firefighters for a day. Invite parents to take photos. Show voters the condition of your apparatus and facilities. Explain what needs improvement and why those improvements matter for faster and safer response. Share words from citizens who recently relied on your department, their stories about your problem-solving, care, and follow-up. As Chief Alan Brunacini taught, don't speak in tactical language. Emotional language is what citizens actually hear and remember. Some residents never vote for monetary increases of any kind, for schools, roads, or the fire department. Expect it. Maybe a direct message will connect with naysayers. With your yes vote, we'll be ready to respond at a moment's notice. Why? Because tomorrow you just might need us. Stay safe.